Harish Galipelli, commodities head and currency head as well at JRG Securities, joins in on the show. Harish, hi. First, let's start off with your view on gold.
We've seen a very sharp run-up in gold prices yesterday, especially in the evening session. But I think now, after a small corrective trade, market is likely to continue its upward movement today's session as well. As far as fundamentals are concerned, I think the weakness in dollar is something which is supporting the gold prices. At the same time, the expectation of further stimulus from Fed is also supporting riskier asset classes like commodities on the whole, and equities and other segments as well. If you look at levels specifically, we are recommending to buy gold on 28,700 levels with a stop loss below 28,600, and the targets for the day could be around 28,850 initially. If market is reaching that level, then I think we should look at around 29,000 levels or so.
Harish, what about crude? What levels would you watch out for on crude, and would you be bullish on crude as well?
Yesterday we've seen a positive bias in crude prices, and I think though short-term dynamics are slightly changing with Iran agreeing for the talks on nuclear program, and also Saudi Arabia hinting of higher supplies from their side. However, I think the broad undertone remains positive, especially on the back of weaker dollar. So we are recommending to stay long on crude oil as well. I think any dip towards 5,290 to 5,300 would give us an opportunity to enter with long positions. Upside, we are looking around 5,340 to 5,350 levels, and one can maintain stops below 5,275.
Harish, what about your view on base metals, in particular copper?
Base metals complex, if you see, I think copper and other base metals are likely to continue the upward movement which we have seen yesterday. However, the sentiment is likely to be similar to the undertone is likely to be sideways, and if you look at specifically copper, I think market is likely to trade between 418 on lower side and 424 on higher side. On fundamental front also, I think today's Chinese GDP data is somewhat concerning, and that might weigh on the prices. However, positive cues from US and other even European countries, and yesterday the slowly changing economic sentiment might also support base metals. So overall, we are recommending to be on alongside base metal front, and we recommend buying around 418.5 with a stop loss below 416, and your target should be anything between 420 to 24 levels.
Harish, you seem to be bullish on every commodity. What about soya? Are you bullish on that one as well?
Yesterday we have seen a very sharp rally in soybean prices and CBOT, and the same thing is been witnessing in the domestic markets as well. I think entire soya complex is likely to extend its gains, tracking solid demand expectations from China and other major consuming countries, and also there are concerns related to Latin American crops. So overall, we are looking soybean around 3,350 levels in near term. So any dip from these levels towards 3,280 or so would definitely give us an opportunity to enter with long positions, and one can maintain stops below 3,250 levels or so.